You want to be light with your application. Light strokes. Let the device do the work, guys. All right, guys, so as advertised on my Gillette Skin Guard review, the Skin Guard here with these patented, I guess they're patented, rubber guards. Two-bladed razor with rubber guards that was just recently introduced by Gillette. I said that I would get back to a multi-blade razor for the next review. Here's the Fusion 5 Pro Shield limited edition. All right, so I picked this up. I'll leave a link below, not only so you can get this nice fancy limited edition because it is limited, but I'll also have a link to the Skin Guard product. All right, so let's check this out. Let's do a quick shave and review. You're getting the unboxing and a review in one. So in the unit itself, comes with one blade, one cartridge, and this fancy 2-color base, which is nice. Heavy too. Here's your razor. It's got a nice firm handle, again heavy. There's a little bit of a inversion here, if you will, and some ridges here, rubberized feel to it, flex ball technology, 5 blades, you know the drill. Nice razor, slips in there for beautiful appointment to your bathroom, guys. The Skin Guard I did describe as a razor with training wheels. All right, somewhat numb, but if you have ingrown hairs, shave bumps, this may be the ticket for you because it does not allow for the bad practice of cutting the hair shorter than the layer of skin. Once you do that, it gives the hair the opportunity to grow inward. So that's the claim to fame for Skin Guard. For the purist, people that don't suffer from ingrown hairs, you want a nice fresh shave with a blade. Not gonna hold up well for you. But let's get into the Fusion 5. I'll do one pass. I got a 2-day growth and I gotta get out the door, so let's tackle this. Someone commented the other day, why no brush? I gotta get back to using brushes, but for these quick videos, I want to really focus on the instrument in the video. So I'll get into some brush videos and make the brushes the star of the videos upcoming. Nice amount of lather there. All right, here we go. Shaving with the grain. Hair grows downward on my face. In my experience and from reading, a way to prevent ingrown hairs is to let the device do the work. You're not digging into the skin. Try to avoid tugging at the skin because essentially you cut that hair shorter than the line of the skin, so the hair is under the skin. Gives it the ability to, when it's growing, if it's going to curve, it's going to curl, it could potentially curl in the skin. So you want to be light with your application or your touch. Light strokes. Let the device do the work, guys. Nice light even strokes. Not digging, we're shaving. But you hear that blade, or you hear those blades, those 5 blades doing the work with very little pressure, guys. Now the benefits to the multi-blade system, you really don't have to do multiple passes. More blades, more coverage. All right, again, shaving with the grain, So the hair on my neck, for the most part, grows upwards. So I'm flipping the razor the other way and shaving upwards. Nice, even strokes. Light pressure. Let the blade do its magic. Let me give you a hint or a tip here. I have a pronounced Adam's apple. So again, I don't want to tug at my skin. A good tip, if you do have a pronounced Adam's apple, is to swallow hard. Which flattens out that area. Tugging again, you're going to promote a lot of tugging. You're going to promote cutting the hair too short, in my opinion. Do some fine tuning. Great blade. Nice shave. Relatively secure from the worry of nicks. You've got your precision trimmer in the back here. To address those areas. Trim those spots. There you go. Nice razor, guys. Flex ball technology. 5 blades, lubrication. And an attractive stand with this limited model. And you know about limited models. They're limited. So click the link below. You can get it on Amazon. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. But in the meantime, remember, guys.
Keep pushing.
Play. And I'm late. I gotta get out of here. I'll see you guys next time.